at the squad of players selected for the Reggae Boyz friendly against South American team Peru, Paul Hall's first game in charge, to be played 1 week before the next World Cup qualifier against Mexico. I count about 5, maximum 6 players from this squad that might be in the squad to play Mexico. So my question is, why are we playing this game so close to the Mexico game, where the majority of the players will not factor in that Mexico game? Is this game a preparation game or a distraction game for the Mexico game? Or is it the start of the rebuilding process? If that is the case, we start the cycle all over again, where we name a local-born squad, play one and few games, and by World Cup qualifying start, most of these players are nowhere to be found. So no England-based players will be available for any friendly international. These England-born players will only play in World Cup qualifying. Then how the team are going to gel? This is what happened in this campaign. We're trying to gel the team during the qualifiers. And you see what happened? And from the look of that squad, soon and very soon, we will be looking to start the cycle over and over and over and over again. The same cycle over and over.